Desktop companion robots are quite popular right now, and I wanted one too until I checked my bank balance. As I'm an engineering student, so I thought, what if I try building my own? So without any delay, let's get started. First, I took an OLED display and D1 Mini. The D1 Mini is basically the brain of this project. I mounted both of them on a breadboard and connected everything using the jumper wires. Then I opened Arduino IDE, wrote a simple test code. And clicked upload. And finally the display turned on. But there was a problem, it was just showing text. I didn't want text, I wanted eyes. Now adding all these animations from scratch would take a lot of time, so I searched online Robo Eyes Arduino library. That's when I found this library made by Flux Garage. Big thanks to them, this saved me a lot of time. I downloaded the library, added it to Arduino IDE, opened the example code and uploaded it. And just like that, the eyes started blinking. Then I tried another example code. Now the eyes were changing emotions, not just blinking. Honestly, it felt like a robot was staring at me, but blinking eyes alone aren't enough. If this is going to feel like a robot, it needs to react. So I added a touch sensor. First, I soldered male ladders. Placed it on the breadboard and connected it to pin D5. Then I wrote a simple logic. When I touch the sensor, expression changes. I uploaded the code and tried it. And now when I touch the sensor, the robot becomes happy. It's not just looking at me anymore, it's responding. And that's the difference. This is where I'll stop for today. The next part, I'll add some more sensors and make this robot even better. All the code and schematics are in the description, so you can build it yourself. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want part 2, tell me in the comments. So see you in the next one.